Please move to the center of the vehicle and stay away from the door.
This shit's kind of cool though. I have no idea where I plan on going right now. I'll explain when I get to someplace quiet. Okay. Finally a place to be alone. I honestly might hang out in this family restroom for the rest of the night. Okay, you guys are probably so confused as to what's going on right now and what the title of this video means and just, you know, what's going on. Basically, I woke up this morning with the intentions of being in California at a hotel with my friend tonight. Unfortunately, my night now is going to be consisting of the Detroit airport and only the Detroit airport. I left my hometown airport at like 2 p.m. today, and then I had a flight to Detroit. I landed in Detroit, and then I was supposed to get on another flight to Salt Lake City, Utah around like 6 p.m. And then I was supposed to land in Salt Lake City and get on another flight to Palm Springs by like 8 or something. I don't know. I was supposed to get to Palm Springs by 9:45. The time is currently 7:42, and my flight to Salt Lake City has not taken off yet. I'm supposed to land in Salt Lake City at 9:30 now instead of 6:30, and my flight in Salt Lake City takes off at 8:45. So I'm getting to Salt Lake City an hour after my flight that's there takes off. I canceled the flight. I changed it, and we're leaving for Atlanta tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and then we're going from Atlanta to Palm Springs. And then I'll get to Palm Springs at like 11:30 tomorrow. I'm praying. I've literally just been going crazy. Like the amount of anxiety that's been flooding through my bloodstream the last like 4 hours or so is insane. I've been on the phone with like so many different people. I've been at like so many different help desks, like trying to figure out what the hell is going on and what is like the best option for me. So I ain't never been with a Betty. I'm literally supposed to be at the Revolve Coachella Festival tomorrow with Sadie Crowell. I'm still hoping to be there, but this is just so unfortunate. Sadie's still gonna be getting there tonight, so she's just gonna be like alone. I ain't never been with a Betty. This airport is pretty big, but not very big. So there's like stuff to do, but not really at all. This video is literally just so that I have somebody to talk to for the next like 12 hours while I'm going crazy. I wish I had my moisturizer. I wish I had so many things. I have no idea if my luggage is gonna make it to where I'm going. Like, I don't know.
This is a place where we're asking about volunteers and other volunteers to bring.
I look so musty. It's been a couple hours and I got Chick-fil-A. I rode the train for so long. Like I just went back and forth. And then I went back to the help desk and I tried to change my flight to even earlier to Atlanta for tomorrow. I tried to change it for 6 a.m. instead of 7 a.m. so that I will have more than 30 minutes in Atlanta. If you've never been to the Atlanta airport, it's pretty big and like the chances of like getting delays and stuff are pretty high. So I'm just really hoping that everything goes smoothly tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm actually just gonna like hitchhike home. I'm gonna sit here and charge my phone for a little because it literally died. Oh, I didn't even tell you, like I tried to change my flight, but it wouldn't let the guy do it. So he said that the flight might be full and it's just not like showing up that it's full yet. Oh my, I'm back in this airport bathroom, just chilling. I want to like walk around and like see what there is to do, but my backpack is so damn heavy. I want to just sit down somewhere, but I'm too bored to do that. Weighing out my options, like break my back some more or just be bored. There's literally a hotel in this airport, but I just can't book it because I'm not of age. I don't know what I'm doing. This shit's kind of cool though, I'm not gonna lie. There's a dude behind me and he definitely thinks I'm fucking stupid for whatever I just did. Dude, who turned it off? Turn it back. Turn it back on. Turn it back on. I'm gonna Google and see if there's a pet relief center anywhere or like a meditation center. They have those at some airports, but I haven't found anything cool here. Someone's smoking cigs. I have no idea where this goes to. My back hurts so fucking bad. Woo-hoo. I don't know where I'm at. Chili's.
Hi, welcome to Chili.
Should I go to the religious reflection? There's nothing in this concourse. I have to go back. I just need a break. Y'all hear that? I was just... Oh my God, literally someone... What is happening? I want to go in there and take a nap. Don't ask me how I got here. I don't know what this is, but I don't think I'm supposed to be in here. That's all I gotta say. Okay, the last thing I need is to get kicked out of this airport right now and be stuck in Detroit. All right, you guys, I made it to the religious reflection room. It almost feels disrespectful being in here because I'm not about to like pray or anything. I mean, maybe I will say a few prayers just to like kill two birds with one stone, I guess. But this is the only place in the entire airport that's quiet. Oh my God, I thought someone was coming in. That's my biggest fear right now, because I'm fine being in here. Like, I'm not gonna get in trouble, but I'm scared that somebody else is gonna come in and try to like pray, and I'm gonna be like just sitting here, and I'm gonna have to like get up and leave. It sounded like somebody was coming. I'm currently in this little area. I don't even know what it is, but there's like couches and stuff. If my flight gets delayed at all tomorrow morning, I'm literally fucked because I have a 30-minute layover in Atlanta, and the same exact thing that happened to me today is gonna happen tomorrow. If that, like, I need to stop being negative. I need to stop manifesting these bad things, because all day yesterday, all day today, I've just been manifesting bad shit, and look what happened. Bad shit. Do you guys want to hear literally the saddest thing in the whole entire world? Okay, I'll tell you anyways. I just walked all the way across the airport because I remembered, I was like, right by that Delta help desk that I was like at all day, I remember seeing this. Nursing room. And then I thought about it just now, and I was like, you know what? The nursing room at our mall is like really nice, and there's a comfy chair, and it's a comfy area. So then I walked over here, literally all the way across the airport, and the door is locked, and you have to call this number to get the access code. Hi. I'm trying to get the access code for the nursing room right now, and it said I was supposed to call this number. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, that worked. Thank you so much. Guys. This feels so illegal. I'm not even mad. Look at this. Here's a proper room tour. I'm not gonna eat the snacks, because what if a mom wants them? No, I'm gonna eat the snack. These diapers, I'm quickly gonna just... It smells like baby poop in here, but I'm not even mad because I got a recliner.
Good luck. Good luck the rest of the night. I love you. I'll talk
Love
to you
you. Okay, you guys, we're gonna do a little Q&A. Fave type of cheese. My favorite type of cheese is... Oh, that's a really hard question. I really like Colby Jack, and I feel like it's so versatile. Like, you can put Colby Jack cheese on everything. But Parmesan, no, Parmesan. Parmesan is my favorite cheese. Even though you can't put it on everything, it's still my favorite, and I think it's superior because it's not like too extra, but it's like not too basic like a cheddar would be. Beef or chicken? Definitely chicken in so many ways. I feel like you can do so much more with chicken. What is your favorite unhealthy coping mechanism? Sleeping. If I have any problems, I sleep, which is why today has been so stressful because I couldn't sleep anywhere.
My parents were like, Sadie, this is why you don't fucking do this shit. And I was like, I didn't plan to get here by myself. Like, we literally planned to get here together. We're both in shitty situations. I literally was like shitting my fucking pants. Like, I was like, okay, I gotta get an Uber. I get an Uber, and it's in the desert. There's like no service. I don't know, I'm kind of scared of this bed. I just think it's so funny because you know all these Instagram bitches are gonna have like these perfect Coachella vlogs, and me and you fucking seen Bailey and Sadie's videos. Because mine's shitty because I'm just stuck here, but yours is shitty because that's fucking scary. My dad was like, why are you doing this? And I was like, dude, I didn't fucking It'll be fine. I'm literally not kidding, bro. Like, there was like a hair and shit on him. I just genuinely cannot believe that I'm stuck in this airport right now for so long. Like, it's been so long. I should have been in here like 10 hours ago. I'm not even gonna lie, this has been one of the worst weeks of my life. So many girls are at their nice resorts waiting for Coachella tomorrow, just like picking out their outfits, you know, like planning their hair and makeup, and this is what I'm doing. I'm supposed to be at the festival in 12 hours. What? Hey guys, welcome to my nighttime skincare routine. Airport version, nursery version, I don't have a kid and I shouldn't be in here version. It's 3 a.m. and I'm going delusional version. You get it, you get it. I cannot believe I'm doing this.
This better not do anything bad. Also, this is probably gonna dry my skin out so much and I don't have moisturizer. There's literally like blood in this sink. I don't know what that is. Good morning. I just slept for like an hour, maybe like 50 minutes. I honestly have no idea how long it was. I'm starving. I'm tired. I'm actually freezing. I have to pee so bad. I'm scared to walk out of this door and just have like a worker like brooming or whatever. We are always running for the thrill of it,